Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you might have noticed that your background on your Chrome browser is boring and you want to change it. So you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to have different backgrounds for your Chrome browser and basically how can you change your background on Chrome. So let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open your Chrome browser. As you can see, mine is changed, but I'll show you how to find even cooler backgrounds than this one in my opinion. So first we need to get something out of the way. You can tap here in the top right corner and then tap on help and then go to about Google Chrome. So you need to find out that your Chrome is up to date, or at least have one of the newer versions, because the very old ones might not have the option to customize your background and basically change your background. So let's quit from here. And now to change your background, you just tap on this pen in the bottom right corner of the screen. So you go ahead and tap right there, and as you can see we have these options right here. You can just change the these borders or something. Purple, you have green, you have anyone you want. Now if you want the light themes, you can choose these. So I'm gonna keep it dark. You can even choose device. If the background here is dark, it's going to be the same colors here. So I'm gonna keep it like this. Anyways, now if you want to find more themes or more options, this is the one I would recommend. Just tap on change theme, and here you can change the background to either solid colors if you want, as you can see, and you can go back from here and choose rising artists background. These ones are pretty cool, as you can see. Look at this. You can choose multiple ones here. You can even choose to refresh daily if you want, so every day it's a different background. And you can go to Asian Pacific Islander, type backgrounds. Wait for them to load up. As you can see, you have a lot of cool options. Native American artists, LGBTQ, Latin artists, black artists, however you want. Landscapes. It's really versatile right here. Now if you want something different, you can just tap on upload an image and choose an image from your device, from your screen. Basically, as you can see, I have this one in my computer already. I can tap on it and tap on open it. It's going to be selected right here. Again, if I don't like the way the borders change with it, I can go to appearances. Let me go back from here. And yeah, I just choose these ones right here. So I think this one looks cool. Let me choose the red one. It's better for the eyes, right? So as you can see, guys, this is how to change your background on your browser. And you can just tap on this X and you're good to go. As you can see, I have changed my background and I have shown you the multiple ways you can change your background too. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching.